Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to upgrade your Lovable AI 2.0 UI using prompt iteration. To get started, head over to lovable.dev and open an existing project or create a new one. Once your app is loaded into the workspace, click on the chat mode agent. This is where you'll feed your prompts to improve the UI design step by step. For example, if your app looks too plain, you can type something like make the UI more modern with a sidebar, rounded buttons, in a light pastel color scheme. The AI will automatically adjust your components and layout to match the new style you described. Prompt iteration works best when you go one step at a time. After your first round of changes, take a look at the updated UI. If you still want to refine it, type another specific prompt such as add hover effects to the buttons and increase padding inside cards. This layered approach lets you gradually shape the UI while keeping full control over the process. You can also switch to edit mode anytime to make manual tweaks, especially if you want pixel-perfect adjustments or want to conserve AI credits. Then go back to chat mode to continue enhancing features, layout, or visual elements with more prompts. And that's it. Upgrading your Lovable UI using prompt iteration is all about feeding in simple, clear instructions and refining them over time. Thanks for watching.